Here are the results, which are insane, right? These images are generated by using 100% free text-to-image generator. And trust me, you can use these two tools for lifetime without paying a single penny, and these are also very easy to use. So, without any delay, let's start with our first tool, which is Lexica. At the top of the screen, you'll find several navigation options: Home, Generate, History, Likes, and Account, which we will discuss soon. Home serves as your gateway to a vibrant gallery of images, both awe-inspiring and diverse. You can also search for specific images from their name, as you can see here. If you stumble upon an image that captures your heart, a simple click will transport you into its world. Here you'll find not only the image but also valuable information, including the description, author, and the prompts used to generate the artwork. These insights can inspire you to create your own unique pieces later on. Speaking of creation, let's venture into the Generate area. This is where the true magic happens. Here, you can breathe life into your imagination by providing a detailed description of the image you wish to conjure. The more vivid and specific, the better. Here, I will try a simple prompt. Additionally, you can include negative prompts, specifying elements you'd rather not see in your creation. It's all about making your vision come to life. With a simple click on the Generate button, Lexica will set its creative gears in motion. In a matter of seconds, a delightful array of images will materialize before your eyes. Each click holds the potential for a unique masterpiece. You can also explore different variations, and you can download the artwork that resonates with you. You can even add your reference images to influence the outcome, offering a new dimension of creativity to your artistic endeavors. For example, I will upload an image and type a simple prompt, let's say anime art, and the results are pretty good. In this way, you can play with your imagination on your image. In History section, you will find your latest creations, and in the Likes section, you will find those images which you have liked any image. While Lexica offers a wealth of possibilities with its free plan, you can generate unlimited images. There are also paid memberships available: Starter, Pro, and Max plan according to different needs, such as the privacy of your images, the number of generations per month, and unlimited slow generations. You can choose the plan that aligns with your aspirations and unlocks the full potential of your artistic prowess. Our second tool is Willow, which is the best free alternative for midjourney. Simply click on the Join the Beta. This will redirect you to the Willow Discord server. Joining the server will give you access to this amazing tool. Once inside the Willow Discord server, you'll find various rooms to explore called Rookie. For this tutorial, let's join in Rookie 19. These rooms are where the magic happens, and you can start generating your own images. Start by typing /imagine, just as you would in midjourney. Let's begin with a simple prompt: a cute little boy with funky hair. You can further refine your image by adding additional prompts. After a few moments, Willow will generate multiple image variations based on your prompt. Take a look at the 4 options it provides. These images showcase the AI's creative interpretations of your prompt. If you're looking for inspiration or simply want to see what others have created, feel free to browse through other users' prompts. Once you've chosen an image you like, you can further enhance it. Clicking on U1 will upscale the image to a higher resolution of the first image. Additionally, selecting a V1 option will create a variation of your first image. Experiment and see which versions resonate with you. Voila! Willow has generated a fantastic image for you. Although it may not match the quality of other paid image generators, considering that it's entirely free, the results are quite impressive. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for upcoming AI tools.